So in this session, we want to look at how we can create measures, and it's quite straightforward and simple. So let's go ahead and click on this particular tab. Okay, now you realize that we have date, unit price, up to discount, and these columns are coming from this particular section. Okay, so if we want to create another column, we want to hit on new column like that. Now we can see that we have the unit price, we have the quantity sold, we have the discount. Come to think of it, are you basically going to plot date against unit price? Are you going to plot date against quantity sold, date against discount, and that? Sometimes yes, sometimes too you would want to plot the date against some other measure called sales. Okay, so that is basically what we are going to do over here. So you might want to plot your date against sales. However, we don't have the sales thing here. Okay, so what we're going to do is to create the sales, and basically sales is the unit price times the quantity. We are going to ignore the discount factor. That we know that discount is going to reduce the sales figure, but we are not doing mathematics here. Okay, so we just want to look at how we can create a measure. So I want to call the unit price, and this is the full formula I'm supposed to be typing, but the IntelliSense is going to help me do that. That is why I go ahead to type the unit price. Over here I have quantity. What I'm supposed to be doing is to type modeling like that. So for instance, modeling like that, then push the quantity sold in there. But you can see that the IntelliSense is helping, so there's no need to waste time. Just hit this, and Power BI should do the magic over here. Alright, so now that we have this one, we can go back to our report pane, and what we're going to do is to push our dates over here, and then push our sales also over here. Okay, alright, so now that we have this one, you can see that we didn't have this one in our database earlier, but then we've been able to add it. So we're going to continue from the next lecture. Thank you.